Hi everyone, it's me again, Szenan-Balance from Self-Balance, the acupuncturist. Welcome to my vlog. Today, I'm going to show you a case study, which is actually the patient was my mom. So mom called in this morning and told me that she has been suffering for dizziness for the last 3 days. Now, I took her pulse and I found that her liver pulse, which is wood pulse, was excessive. So how do I choose global balance, Dr. Tan's balance method, acupuncture global balance, according to this pulse, and what point should I choose for her? And after that, what would she feel about it? You know, she also had headache. Okay, so stay tuned, and I'm going to show you the case study very soon. Now, if you're first time watch this video, or you've been watching this video for follow my video for a while, and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, look at this button on my YouTube channel, then smash it, as well as ring the bell. Now, once you ring the bell, and you won't miss my future video. Right? Let's look at the case study.
Disclaimer, disclaimer, disclaimer. You must read and agree with this before you start this video.
This is my mom, who suffered from dizziness in the last few days. She told me this morning, so we'll try acupuncture today. So at the meantime, she suffered pain over here. Right. So now, according to the pulse, which organs are balanced? So I just took the pulse, and the liver pulse is too strong. And what I did is I did 厥阴少阳. So in 厥阴少阳, this is wood. This is wood, right? Kidney. So 行间, 阳府, they are son of the wood. Then we needle son of the 相火, 相 fire, 大陵, and 三焦天井. So 4 points, and after 4 points, the pulse balance. So the headache's gone, and the dizziness, we're going to test it out in the next few days. Thank you.
So what do you think? Now, if you have a question, leave a comment below here, and guess what? I'm going to give you a free webinar. And this free webinar is what I'm going to talk about acupuncture 1, 2, 3, but local balance. Now I'm going to teach you 3 systems out of 6 systems. Now, if you want to sign up the free webinar, so go down, check the link below in the description on YouTube, click it and get your free webinar. And also, I want you to join our Facebook group. Now, again, check the link below and join our Facebook. Now, in our Facebook group, you can ask as many questions as you like, and I'm happy to share anything that I know. Now, again, if you don't want to miss my next video, please, on YouTube, look at this, subscribe to my YouTube channel, as well as ring the bell. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye.